Large cormorants alternate individual fishing with an effective teamwork technique for finding food. Large cormorants are able to dive deep and chase their prey for many seconds, which they ingest once they are on the surface. Their favorite catches are usually medium-sized fish. Their constant underwater activity obliges cormorants to leave fishing and go to the shore to dry themselves. It is because, unlike most water birds, their plumage is not completely waterproof, which, on the other hand, facilitates their dives. Large cormorants were once birds that only came to the Iberian Peninsula in winter